Hello homesteaders, here's a problem that a lot of us have. How do you use caulk and make it look like your 3-year-old didn't do the job? First of all, buy yourself a decent caulking gun that you can actually control. Those $3 models are not worth having. Well, I used to be a pretty bad caulker. Everything would look terrible when I got done. But I finally got a guy to tell me how to do it. So we start out by putting the blue tape down. And if you have a real sharp curve like on this round sink, you use little pieces and you put them on there and tag it around. I used one piece on top, it's a little easier. And then you just apply one round of your caulking on like that, one time. You're not going to be going over it and over it and over it because that's where you screw it up. And the big trick, immediately take off the tape in one swell swoop. Now that is groovy, my friends. See how that all looks so sharp? That's how you do it.
If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. Keep your eyes on the sky and your powder dry.